let's be for real. English isn't just grammar and vocabulary in textbook. If you want to actually understand people on TikTok, in memes, or even in daily conversation, you need to know the slangs. And that's why today I'm teaching you 12 important Gen Z slangs you must know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to scroll through TikTok or chat with Gen Zs without even feeling completely lost. And after every slang, I'll give you a quick challenge so you can practice right away. Let's start with the first one. Clock it. I don't know, this one is making rounds on social media these days. When Gen Z say clock it, they don't mean time. It means notice it, pay attention to it, or catch it. For example,
Clock it. Clock it.
Yes! Chat, you remembered which one. This is the applause.
Clock it.
This is clock it.
And applause.
And you are clocking it.
I'm clocking it.
I love that.
She taught me. I like to keep up with the trends of the youth.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no one meaning for clocked it. Here we go. So you've got a compliment, as in like your outfit slay. Clocked it, your nails look nice. Clocked it, complimenting you, okay? Ooh, clocked it, and they noticed, right? They saw you do something like a TikTok trend or something that they liked, okay? And they say, oh, clocked it, like they saw it and they noted it.
next is NPC. This stands for non-playable character. Like in video games, NPCs just follow the scripts. In slangs, it means someone robotic or unoriginal or boring. Example.
You're what we call an NPC.
He's just an NPC.
Challenge. I want you to comment if you're MC, which stands for main character, or if you're NPC, which stands for non-playable character. Let me know in the comments, guys. The next slang you must know is ate, or sometimes people say ate and left no crumbs. If someone says she ate it, this means she nailed it or he did very amazing. And ate and left no crumbs means perfect, flawless, nothing to criticize. For example,
you just know when she edited that trailer, she was like, oh, I've literally ate and left no crumbs there. Like, I've honestly bought.
Hey, here are your donuts.
Oh my gosh, you ate!
Hey, I would never eat your donuts.
And you left no crumbs!
I literally left all of the donuts. How could you say that?
tell me in the comments, what's one thing you ate at recently? It could either be school, work, or cooking. Let me know in the comments, guys. 4, which is one of my favorite. Main character. It means acting like the star of the show. Confident. All eyes on you. For example,
this is my league now. I'm the main character.
I'm so sorry. I was giving off main character energy and I even gave myself the ick.
No. I was nastier than that.
It's giving main character. It's giving pretty woman modern day realness. It's...
Moving on to the next slang, the eek. I don't know if you've seen this or if you've heard it from movies, but they often use this a lot in movies. The eek is when one thing suddenly makes you feel totally turned off, irritated, disgusted. For example,
I got the ick.
Mainly, I just didn't think I could get through another morning after ick attack.
I feel like I lost a lot of love for my fiance after last night. She got the ick.
One of the things that gives me the ick is when people interrupt me when I'm talking. So let me know, what about you? What gives you the ick? The next slang is Rizz or unspoken Rizz. Rizz means charisma, charm, or a person with flirting skills. On the other hand, unspoken Rizz. This is used for people like you without even trying. You've just got the charisma, you've got the energy, you've got the vibe. You're born with it. For example,
look at this line.
Who's that?
Bro, they fixed the thumbnail. They did fix it. They did. I got mad Rizz in that photo.
I don't know if you guys are familiar with these middle schoolers these days and the Rizz face, but watch him do it.
Coming up is sus. This is the short form for suspicious. And what does the word suspicious mean? It means a person acting funny or in a shady way. A person who isn't trustworthy. For example,
Explain the meaning of sus.
Can't explain sus. Either you know sus or you don't know sus. Sus is just sus.
Who in the loiter squad would be the most likely to be a sus?
Most likely to be sus off top is top.
I am sus of what that person's doing over there.
Got it.
Moving on to the next slang. No cap or cap. Cap means a lie, pure lie. On the other hand, if you say no cap, it means I'm saying the truth. It's true. You need to trust me on this. For example,
I'm almost 82, no cap.
I really want to know your philosophy of life. No cap.
I like that.
And there's no cap on her income.
Because I was a whitewater guide in Northern California, no cap.
Actually.
The ninth slang is bet. This is also one of my favorite because I say it every time. It means series of things, by the way. It means okay, deal, or agree. For example, if someone says, you'll subscribe, you say bet. It means deal, I will. Here's a task for you. Complete the sentence in the comments. I'll watch part 2 of this video. Number 10 is slay. This means to succeed with style or to crush a style. And this is mostly used for someone who is like a fashionist or a person who has an amazing style.
Mansion.
Just slay, queen. Slay like no one's watching. But everybody's watching.
I slay all day.
Next up is bougie. This means pretending to be rich or enjoying fancy things. For example,
my dad and my bougie egg donor are in town. Oh.
Them bougie girls from your school do not count.
We put these mushrooms in whatever bougie foodie bullshit Chris is cooking for the senior class ring dinner, dosing the entire class.
Number 12 slang is tap in. It means to be aware or connected, in the known. For example,
As soon as you get tapped in, let me have it.
I only talk for 1 minute because I'm tapped in illegal.
You're tapped in.
And I have a question for you. What's one thing you feel tapped in about? Is it music, sport, fashion, or memes? Drop your answers in the comments. And here is the last one. Low-key and high-key. Low-key is when you're doing something secretly or quietly just because you're not ready to share it. On the other hand, high-key means you're doing something openly and strongly and you want people to be aware of it. For example,
I'd appreciate it if you could keep it low-key while we're staying here, you know?
So let's just try to keep it as low-key as possible, huh?
And I'm high-key heated about the whole thing still, but...
And I'm high-key tripping that Wade's about to snitch on me and Tessa.
All right, guys, quick recap. We've spoken about 13 slangs today. Clock it, NPC, ate it, main character energy, the eek, Rizz, sus, no cap, bet, slay, bougie, tapped in, and low-key or high-key. If you've watched this video to the very end, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and grab the free PDF with today's slangs and examples in the description. And part 2 is next. We'll be covering more slangs like delulu, goated, meat, and cringe. Thanks and see you in the next video.